This is Cruise Calisthenics, the 5-month old edition. So often when Mom perches on his knee, he's doing both legs right now, but a lot of times he'll just be running on her knee and air running. There we go. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go.